Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can create an account on Binance. It is going to be a step-by-step tutorial, so just stay with us till the very end and you will be able to create the account on Binance. So let's get started with it. First of all, you will have to download Binance app from Play Store or App Store according to your Android device or Apple device. So just download it. Just simply hit the Play Store and after that search for Binance. Just open it up and just install it. After you install it, you will be able to see the option of open over here. Just open it up and let's see how we can create an account. As soon as you open it up, you will be able to find the option of sign up or login at the very top. Just click on this option and wait for it to load. After that, you will be able to find the option of create a Binance account. Just simply select it. You can either sign up using your email address or phone number, or you can sign up using Google account, or you can just simply click on the link in the description and you will be able to reach over here and create an account. It is my referral link, so we will both get benefited by it. So let's use our email address in order to create this account. You can use your phone or Google account as well. The process is quite similar. In referral ID, you can just simply paste my ID in order to help me out. And in the email, just type your email address or phone number. Let me type my email address over here. Then just simply click on next. After that, an email verification code will be sent on your email address. Just open your email address and copy and paste that particular code over here in order to get ahead. Let me copy my code. This is how the code will look like. Just copy it and paste it, or you can just simply type it down. In case if you are not able to see that particular code in your email address, just simply click on the option of resend code. After that, you will have to set up a password in order to get ahead. Let's set the password for our account, but make sure that your password follows all the instructions over here, like at least 8 characters, 1 number and 1 uppercase letter. So just simply click on next after that. And this is how your account will be created, and that's how you do it. Just simply click on this option of done. You can add your passkey, which is basically whenever you will try to log into your account, you will require to confirm that it is you actually and not someone else. That's the passkey, and it is going to be your biometric, either your fingerprint on your mobile device or the passkey on your laptop. Choose your device as your passkey and select the biometric over here. Just allow this particular application to check your fingerprint, and this way you will be logged into your account. After that, just verify your identity, and this is basically KYC. And after that, you will be able to buy crypto, send crypto, or sell crypto. So this is how you create an account on Binance. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.